Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be continuing with the deep web directories, the deep web link directories especially. And in this case, we're going to be looking at the onion crate, alright, which is essentially the Tor hidden service index where, it's an index of the deep web or onion links. Alright, so it's also a fantastic directory where you can find, the onion links and explore even further. Alright, so by default, the onion crate is really awesome. So don't worry, I'll be posting the link in the resources section so you can check it out for yourself. Alright, so by default, it will give you information here. So 7,693 online onions. And again, it'll tell you if you want to search, Control+F is your friend. Alright, so it's awesome that it allows you to search the entire web page. And there's a lot of links that you can look at. Now, by default, you have your index, your current index, which is again displaying onion sites here with a title and probably a description. You then have index version 3, which is also another index that has probably different sites or different links. And you can go ahead and look at that. And you can also submit. All right. And there you go. You can submit your links there. You can submit your onion address and the port, and you can add it. So if you have created a deep web or darknet site, this is a great way to actually add your onion link to this index so that people can find it. All right. So you can go back to the index here and just give it a few seconds to load up. Hopefully this doesn't take as long as it should be taking. For some reason it is, and there we are. We're back here, and as you can see, this is just going to display all the links. Now again, you can essentially, if you want to find a specific link, you can always use your Control+F key, and there you are, find in page, and you can search for a page. So let's say we search for again the Facebook page. Whoops, I spelled that wrongly. Facebook, there you are, Facebook. And that is the Facebook core www.i.onion. You can also look for other ones. Let's look for Matrix. That's a very interesting site as well. Matrix, there we are. Is that the site? I'm not sure that is the correct one, but anyway, that is still the one that, you know what? Let's just try it out. It was submitted in 2015, so it's probably still working, but that is not a guarantee. Let's look for another site. Something really interesting this time. Let's see if I can remember any good sites here. Or by default, you can just close the search. You can just click there, and once you've closed it, you can just go back to the top here, and you can just start looking for any other sites that you want to look for. So the Matrix site has opened up here. Hopefully there isn't any explicit content that I cannot display here, but yeah, the site is blank, so I'm just going to exit that site. That's an example of clicking on links irresponsibly. All right. So if you really don't know a site, I wouldn't recommend that you do that. So let's see what other sites we can find here. Hopefully something that is legal. Otherwise there's a lot of illegal sites here that obviously promote illegal services. Let's look at, I'm not going to look at forums because again, I don't know what forums they are and what they contain. So, let's see, nothing interesting here. Alpha 7. Nope. Amazon gift cards. That's definitely not something that I want to be looking at. Anyway, those are the sites that you can expect to find on the onion crate. And again, it's a fantastic directory that you can look at if you are looking for any, for sites. The same with the way we looked at the dark directory, which is also great as well. But I'll be posting many of these other videos showing you the different indexes and directories that you can find for links if that is what you're looking for and you're really interested in exploring. All right. So again, this is not going to be a very comprehensive video in the sense that I'm not going to be exploring any web pages. I'll leave that to you, and I wish you the very best, and I hope you have fun. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.